that kpekus is not bringing out enough water when you are knacking, does not mean the kpekus is possessed. It just means you need to change your diet to make that kpekus bring out plenty water. If that kpekus is not bringing out enough water to baptize gbola inside kpekus, either through baptism or sprinkling or immersion of the gbola inside the kpekus, make sure you change the diet, because it's not everything that you eat that aids secretion of juice in the kpekus. So to aid proper secretion of juice in the kpekus, you see this tea while they drink, so it dey inside where you suppose even click right now. The link where this guy will go show you my recipe book on things where you suppose they drink, they chop, where go make kpekus they bring out plenty water. As a man, your babe must take am. As a woman, you must take am. Now kpekus go bring out plenty juice. It go be like say rain fall inside your kpekus. Put something there where the water go dey drop enter, or put gbola make it dey suck the juice, because pipe must be laid there, because water go flow from that kpekus. Click the link in my bio now to get my cookbook, to get the recipe to make kpekus bring out plenty water and make gbola strong kakaraka. The link is in my bio or in this video. Get my cookbook right now. Knacking recipe.